training on your website.
Straighten this. Oh. So we're going to do, we have a young lady with you called Rosie. You're going to adjust Rosie's L5 here. It's restricted. Come around. Bring it down. On this side. Bring it around. So we've got a contact on that L5 spinous process. Bring it down. So that hit the spot. Come over onto your back. Smiling for the camera. Mm-hmm. Now, look at this.
Yeah.
So we look at the medial malleoli, and they're symmetrical. Turn your head to this side and this side. Okay, you're going to bring it around. Bring it around. You're on camera, so smiling. Okay, now that's Rosie's standard call, standard noise. So this is called an anterior shoulder adjustment. So you come in through here, in the fossa, and then you bring it down. And you're going to feel a cavitation or a pop, so to speak. Usually it's the AC joint that you feel the cavitation. Bring it around, turn your head over here, loosen it, straight in, down. Now I'll bring this shoulder around. Is that tender? Okay. Look this here, bring this one out. Bend it to the elbow, excuse me. The middle of the sternum. So again, it's this general stimulation for the shoulder, girdle, sternocostal joints. Okay, sitting up, facing this way. Okay, look to your left, to your right. Walk about, please. Rosie, good adjustment. Thanks, Dr. Adam, for your
Thanks, Dr. Adam.
For your footage.
Thanks, Dr. Robbie.